the machine? Machine is a tool which makes our work easier and faster. So we call it division machine because this machine also makes our work easier and faster. Mathematics is often considered extremely tough by students. The basic reason is lack of understanding of the basics of certain concepts. But once these basics are understood by the students, mathematics will become the most interesting and the funniest subject. We, the students, often make mistakes when we do division sum. Division is one of the basic operation of mathematics. Today, the presentation that we have prepared will give us a deep insight into this operation. Now, let us start. This is our dividend column. This is our problem column. This is our question column. This is our remainder column. Yeah, there is a note for us. The number 1 divides any number gives that same number. It means when we divide any number with 1, we will get that same number. And this is our question column. Now, we will use the machine with the help of one example. I have taken one example, that is 8 divided by 12, and put that card in our problem column. You can see that these error shows that 8 is our divisor and our dividend is 12. Now we will solve this, but before that I am going to tell you that we have our divisor is 8, so we can only put 8 sticks at a time in one cup. And you can see that 12 is our dividend, so we can put out sticks till we reach to the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You can see that we don't have 8 sticks. So we cannot able to put these sticks in our second cup because as we know that our divisor is 8, so we can only put 8 sticks in one cup. So we are left with these 4 sticks. It means this is our remainder. You can see we are only being able to keep the sticks in one cup, so it means that our quotient is 1. We will put 1 stick in our quotient column. So this is how our machine works.
At the times, we the students feel that we are being unnecessarily troubled when we are made to understand peculiar terms, theorems and construction. But when we are told the practical relevance of geometry, we know that how essential and joyful is the learning of geometry to us. Any advancements that we see in our surroundings, geometry is involved in that in one or in another way. Road construction, building construction or any kind of designing can be done if the concepts of geometry are known to us. Now may I present the model that I have prepared. This is the model line segment and intersecting line. This is a line. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure having no thickness and extending in both the direction. A line is sometimes called a straight line or more archaically called a right line to emphasize that it has no wiggle along its length. These are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are the two lines that share a common point. Like here, these are two intersecting lines but sharing a common point, and this point is known as the point of intersection. Although in this lesson we are just specifically dealing with lines, in this lesson line segment also shares a common point. Now these are two parallel lines cut by a transversal. If two parallel lines are cutted by a transversal, each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Like here, corresponding angles are 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7 and 4 and 8. These are corresponding angles. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, each pair of alternative interior angles on the same side are supplementary. supplementary means 180 degree. So here interior 3 and 5, 6 and 8. If we get the sum of 3 and 5, it will get supplementary means 180 degree. And if two lines are cut by a transversal, each pair of vertically opposite angles are also equal. Like here vertically opposite angles are 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 5 and 8, 6 and 7. These are vertically opposite angles. By these concepts, we can solve different types of questions, identify different types of angles.
Mathematics is one of those subjects which is closely connected with life. Symmetry is certainly one such concept of mathematics. If we know symmetry, shapes can be divided, sorting can be done, and classification becomes possible. If we know symmetry, we can get rid of many several confusions. My maths model is based on the concept symmetry, which shows the practical use of it. Here we have vertical line of symmetry. The line which divides the shape in vertical way is known as vertical line of symmetry. Here we have alphabet B. The line divides the alphabet in horizontal way. It is known as horizontal line of symmetry. Here we have alphabet N. Here we can see that the line is not dividing the alphabet into identical halves. That's why it is known as no line of symmetry. Now I'll explain mirror image. A mirror image is a reflected duplication of any object which almost appears identical. Some letters do not changes on reflection, while some letter changes. Here we have alphabet R. Now let us see how it looks in the mirror. Oh, that's amazing! It gives the reverse image in the mirror. Now let's see the alphabet A in the mirror. Oh, it gives an identical image in mirror.
Atmosphere is the layer of air which surrounds the earth. Life would not have been possible on earth without this atmosphere. The life-giving oxygen is the part of this layer. With other important gases, it serves like a blanket and maintains the temperature on earth. Without it, there would have been a huge difference between day and night, temperature like moon. The meteors also burn up in this atmosphere before falling on earth's surface. Now one by one, I am going to explain the layers of atmosphere and their features. There are 5 layers in the atmosphere. The first is stratosphere. The stratosphere starts at the Earth's surface and extends 8 to 14.5 kilometers high, 5 to 9 miles. This part of the atmosphere is the most dense. Almost all weather is in this region. The second layer was stratosphere. The stratosphere starts just above the stratosphere and extends to 50 kilometers, 31 miles high. The ozone layer, which absorbs and scatters the solar ultraviolet radiation, is in this layer. The third layer was mesosphere. The mesosphere starts just above the stratosphere and extends to 85 kilometers, 53 miles high. Meteors burn up in this layer. The fourth layer was thermosphere. The thermosphere starts just above the mesosphere and extends to 600 kilometers, 372 miles high. Aurora and satellite occur in this layer. The last and the fifth layer was exosphere. The exosphere is the upper limit of our atmosphere. It extends from the top of the thermosphere up to 10,000 kilometers, 6,200 miles.
Okay, so this is our dam, this is a bridge, and this is a garden, this is a village, and this is a turbine. We hided the turbine. Okay friends,
The water stored in the dam will flow through the reservoir to the turbine, which has wheel in it, which rotate the diamond. The diamond will convert into mechanical energy into electrical energy.
Kidneys are vital organs for survival. In case of kidney failures, an artificial kidney is used known as dialysis. Now, I am going to show you how dialysis works. In the process of dialysis, there are two cellophane tubes. The one is connected to the artery and another is connected to the vein. The impure blood that is carried out from the body of the patient is carried out through artery and injected into the apparatus. Into the apparatus, the nitrogenous waste comes out in the form of urea, and the fresh solution goes inside the apparatus and purifies the blood. Then the purified blood goes into the fresh blood, and then the fresh blood gets injected into the body of the patient through the cellophane tube, which is connected to the vein. Hence, the dialysis process is completed.
This model works upon the principle of conservation of energy. Thus, in the model, street light will turn on when needed and turn off when not needed. The model consists of LED bulbs with brightness sensors, motion sensors, and short distance networking command. When a car comes near to the street light will turn on, and when it move away from the street light, so the street light will turn off. Now I will show you how it works. For that, I take a toy car. When this toy car move to the street light, so the street light will turn on, and when this now you have and you will find it difficult to difference between the smart street light and the converging street light. The street light system is help us to conserve the energy.
The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body of India, and it is also known as the Temple of Democracy. What is the role of Parliament? The role of Parliament is to provide for the formation of government and to legislate it. It also makes the law and runs the country. Why do we need Parliament? We need the Parliament because in democracy, the government of the people, for the people, and by the people. It is reflected by the parliamentary system. The Parliament is the highest supreme legislative of Republic of country. Now I will tell you the three parts of Parliament. First is President, second is Rajya Sabha, and third is Lok Sabha. Now I will tell you about President. President is the head of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. It operates both these houses. And for example, if we say that जैसे कि कभी कोई भी बिल राज्यसभा और लोकसभा के द्वारा पास किया जाता है, तो ये दोनों हाउसेस से अगर कोई भी बिल पास किया जाएगा तो सबसे पहले जाके ये प्रेसिडेंट के पास जाएगा. जब प्रेसिडेंट इस पे साइन करेगा किसी बिल पे या फिर लॉ पे, तो फिर वही लॉ हमारे कंट्री में फिर आता है. जब तक कि प्रेसिडेंट साइन नहीं करता, जब तक यह बिल हमारे कंट्री में नहीं आता है. Now I will compare the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. First point is that Rajya Sabha is the upper body of Parliament and Lok Sabha is the lower body of Parliament. Rajya Sabha is known as the permanent body, and whereas Lok Sabha is known as lower body, temporary body of the Parliament. The time period of Rajya Sabha is 6 years and the time period of Lok Sabha is 5 years.
Bank is a financial institution which licensed to receive deposit and make loans. Bank also provide financial services such as wealth management and currency exchange and safe deposit boxes. There are some advantages of bank. These are: first, issue money. Bank issue money in the form of bank loan, and banknotes. Second, spreading wealth. Second, banks are critical to the economy, which lending by the banks makes money available to consumers and business to make purchases they might not otherwise be able to make. Third, money transferring. Bank move money. They move money between banks and individual, between banks and government, between banks and industry, and sometimes between governments. In our model, we have made bank. It is helping agriculture sector as well as industrial sector by providing them funds.
Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receives a financial protection against losses from an insurance company. Now I will tell you some advantages of insurance. First, it reduces uncertainty. In the world of business, commerce, and industry, a huge number of properties are employed. Insurance provides protection of the business assets. Second, increase efficiency. The uncertainty of loss may affect the mind of the businessman adversely. The insurance removing the uncertainty stimulates the business to work hard. Third, business enhancement. A business discontinued due to the death of capital at the time of death of the business partner. The insurance policy provide adequate fund at the time of the death to make payment to deceased partner higher. The last point is employee welfare. The welfare of employee is the responsibility of the employer. The former is work for the latter. These requirements are easily met by the life insurance.
And transportation is a movement of goods and services from place to place and various means by which such movement is accomplished. Advantage of transportation: first, better production in agriculture and industry